Good night. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we're going to do today is clean our makeup bag. She is stained. I have gotten neglectful, especially when you have a favorite makeup bag, and you ladies know what I'm talking about. And if you want her to stay your favorite and you not have to buy a makeup bag out of necessity, and maybe out of you want to buy it, add to your collection, you need to know how to clean her. So we are going to get to it. So I have this spray bottle here. I know the thumbnail is a pink one, but I have a mixture here in this bottle of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, bleach, and water. Don't ask for the measurements. I just didn't measure. I just wanted to make sure I had almost equal parts of each in there. So we're going to go ahead and spray our lovely bag with this mixture, and I'll show you the details. So I'm giving you guys a close-up of what she looks like. Now, I personally love this because of this phrase on this bag, but as you can see, there's makeup stains, foundation, everything that's been in the bag. And let's take a look here. Down.
One, two, three.
Good night. This is going to be a regular occurrence because she's, oh my Lord. So with all that scrubbing, we still have some stubborn stains. So the same mixture that we have here, we're going to soak it in here in my little water pail mini bucket here. And we're going to soak this overnight, and I might do it more than one day. And then we're going to see if this is a pass or fail. Because right now, I don't know what's going on. All right, so the mixture is in. I'm going to fill it with hot water specifically because I don't know if you guys noticed, but as I was scrubbing the outside, I had the hot water on. But as the hot water was on, I noticed it was helping the color and the stains to come out. So, and this mixture is hot. About 97% of the way. Got this immersed in my Lysol bleach and water mixture, and this is hot water that it's in. We're gonna let this set at least overnight, and we'll see what happens and if we need to soak it for another night or if this is just a complete fail. This type of makeup bag that you have. All right, so I'm going to finish scrubbing this thing up. So I've turned this inside out, and I also found some stains slightly there in that corner, and I scrubbed some more of that too. And as you can see, it's open, and we're going to let this dry out perhaps for the next 2 days. Final result in the next clip.